Hello everyone, my name is Sam Dooley, and in this video I will use the Equalize editor with the NVDA screen reader to show the initial configuration setup needed to use the Equalize editor with NVDA. First, let's see what can happen without the proper NVDA configuration. I use a browser to access the Equalize editor website, lakepinesbraille.com/ee. I'm using Google Chrome, but you may use other browsers as well. With the input focus in the main input area, I type Control R to select Braille entry mode. Then I type dots 456, 146 on my Braille device to create the open Nemeth indicator so I can enter a math expression. But instead, dots 456 is treated as the beginning of a word. The default settings for NVDA expand the current word at the cursor, and so NVDA displays dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, space 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 before the full Braille cell provided by the editor. Then dots 1, 4, 6 becomes the SH contraction, which expands to shall after I press space, which is not what I want. So I use dot 7 backspace to erase shall. On my computer keyboard, I select Alt-Shift-H C to select configuration from the help menu, and the configuration help page is displayed. The configuration help page includes the typical path to my NVDA profiles folder. I copy this path to the clipboard so I can use it later. Now I activate the link to the NVDA configuration file ee.ini to bring up the Save As dialog. I paste the path from the clipboard into the folder name combo box and fill in my Windows username. I press Enter to select the proper folder. Tab to the Save button and press Enter again to save the EEINI file in my NVDA Profiles folder. I press Escape to return to the Equalize editor to test the results. To activate the Equalize editor configuration, I type NVDA N C to open the Configuration Profiles dialog and select the EE profile for manual activation. With the input focus in the main input area, I use my Braille device to type dots 456, 146 for the open Nemeth indicator so I can enter a math expression. This time I read both the open and close Nemeth indicators on my Braille device with a full Braille cell in between that is ready for more input. Now NVDA is using the Equalize editor profile contained in ee.ini. It only does so when I manually activate the EE profile, so no other applications or web pages are affected after you deactivate it using the Configuration Profiles dialog. In the next video, I will explain the configuration choices contained in the Equalize editor ee.ini file so you can customize these choices to suit your needs. Please send an email or leave a comment if you have any suggestions for configuration choices that would improve how NVDA interacts with the Equalize editor. For more information about the Equalize editor, please visit the Lake Pines Braille website at lakepinesbraille.com.